Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Podcast, the place where you learn real English for real life. I'm Sarah.
And I'm John. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is exciting. It's about adventure, new experiences, and maybe even a little bit of stress.
Stress? That doesn't sound exciting.
Well, traveling is exciting, but speaking English while traveling can sometimes feel stressful.
Yes, that's true. Many English learners feel nervous when they travel to another country.
Especially when they need to speak English at the airport, in a hotel, or asking for directions.
So today, we're going to help you feel prepared and confident. We'll walk you through important travel situations and teach you useful English phrases you can actually use.
This episode is perfect if you're planning a trip or dreaming about one.
Let's start at the airport. You arrive at the airport with your suitcase. What's the first thing you usually do?
You check in.
Right. Check-in means you tell the airline you are there and ready for your flight.
You go to the check-in counter and the staff might say, "Good morning, may I see your passport and ticket?"
Notice that polite question, "May I see?" That means, "Can I see?"
You can respond, "Sure, here you are."
"Here you are" is very common when giving something to someone.
If you have a big suitcase, you will check your luggage. The staff might ask, "Do you have any bags to check in?"
You can say, "Yes, I have one suitcase," or "No, I only have carry-on luggage."
Carry-on luggage is the small bag you take with you on the plane.
Then they might ask, "Did you pack your bags yourself?"
This is a security question. The correct answer is usually, "Yes, I did."
Then they give you a boarding pass.
The boarding pass shows your seat number and gate number. For example, you are in seat 14A. Your gate is B12.
If you don't understand, you can ask, "Sorry, where is gate B12?
Or, "Excuse me, how do I get to gate B12?
Next step, security.
At security, they might say, "Please put your bags on the belt. Take off your shoes. Empty your pockets."
If you don't understand something, don't panic. Just say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?"
That's a very powerful sentence. Could you repeat that? It's polite and very useful.
Now you're on the plane. You find your seat. If someone is sitting in your seat, you can say, "Excuse me, I think this is my seat."
Very polite. Don't say, "You're in my seat." That sounds aggressive.
Yes, tone is important.
During the flight attendant might ask, "Would you like something to drink?"
You can answer, "Yes, I'll have some water, please." Or, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Notice we use the same structure we learned in the restaurant episode. Can I have? I'll have.
English patterns repeat. That's good news.
You arrive at your destination. Now you go to baggage claim.
If you can't find your suitcase, you may need to ask for help. You can say, "Excuse me, my luggage hasn't arrived," or "I can't find my suitcase."
The staff might ask, "What does your suitcase look like?"
You can describe it. It's black and medium-sized. It has a red tag. It's a large blue suitcase.
Now you leave the airport. You need transportation. Maybe a taxi.
You can say to the driver, "Hi, can you take me to this address, please?"
Or, "How much is the fare?"
Fare means the price of the ride.
If you want to be sure, you can ask, "Is this the fastest way?" Or, "How long does it take?" All right, you arrive at your hotel. You're tired from traveling. You walk to the front desk. What do you say?
A simple and natural sentence is, "Hello, I have a reservation."
Reservation means you booked a room before arriving. The receptionist might say, "Can I have your name, please?"
You respond, "Yes, it's John Smith," or The reservation is under Sarah Johnson.
That phrase is very common. The reservation is under. That means the booking is in that name.
The receptionist might ask, "How many nights are you staying?"
You can say, I'm staying for 3 nights. Or, I'm staying until Friday.
They may also ask for your passport or ID. You can say, "Here you are."
After that, they'll give you your room key and say something like, You're in room 305. The elevator is to your left. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
If you didn't understand, ask, "Sorry, what time is breakfast?" Or, "Where is the elevator?"
Sometimes you want more information. For example, is Wi-Fi free? What's the Wi-Fi password? Is breakfast included?
Very useful word, included. If breakfast is included, you don't pay extra.
You can also ask, is there a gym? Is there a swimming pool? What time does the pool close?
Now let's imagine a problem. Maybe the air conditioning doesn't work.
You can call the front desk and say, Hi, I'm in room 305. The air conditioning isn't working.
Or, "There's a problem with the shower. The TV isn't working. There aren't enough towels."
Notice how we use there's a problem with. Very useful structure.
Stay calm. Be polite. Hotel staff are there to help you.
Now, you leave the hotel, you want to explore the city, but you're not sure where to go.
Time to ask for directions. You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Or more specific, excuse me, how do I get to the train station? Can you tell me how to get to the museum?
Common direction phrases you might hear: go straight, turn left, turn right. It's on your left. It's on your right. It's next to the bank. It's across from the supermarket.
Let's explain 2 important ones. Next to means beside. Across from means on the opposite side of the street.
Getting lost is normal when traveling. Don't feel embarrassed. You can say, "I think I'm lost. Can you show me on the map?"
Or, is it far from here? How long does it take to walk there?
If someone speaks too fast, say, "Could you speak more slowly, please?"
That sentence is powerful. It gives you control of the conversation.
Of course, when you travel, you eat. A lot.
Yes, and sometimes menus are in English. If you don't understand something, you can ask, What do you recommend? What's the most popular dish?
Very natural question. You can also ask, "What's in this dish?"
Important for allergies. You can say, I'm allergic to nuts. Does this contain dairy? I don't eat meat.
Clear communication is important for your health.
Now let's talk about shopping. You go into a store. The salesperson might say, Can I help you?
If you're just looking, say, "I'm just looking, thank you."
If you want something specific, you can say, I'm looking for a souvenir. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
You can ask, "How much is this? Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in another color?"
Very common shopping questions.
Now let's talk about something important: emergencies. We hope you never need these phrases, but it's good to know them.
If you need help, say, I need help, or it's an emergency.
If you need a doctor, say, "I need a doctor. Is there a hospital nearby?"
If you lose your passport, you can say, I've lost my passport. Where is the nearest embassy?
Embassy is the office of your country in another country.
Before we continue, let's talk about mindset. When traveling, you don't need perfect English.
You need clear English. Short sentences, simple words.
For example, I need help. Where is the bathroom? How much is this? That's enough.
Confidence is more important than complex grammar.
All right, Don, let's imagine something. You're traveling to London for the first time. You're alone, you're excited, and maybe a little nervous.
That sounds very realistic.
Good. I'll play different people you meet during your trip. You just respond naturally.
Okay, let's go.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport and ticket?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Did you pack your bags yourself?
Yes, I did.
Perfect. Here is your boarding pass. You're in seat 18A. Your gate is C22.
Thank you. Where is gate C22?
Go straight, then turn right. It's near the coffee shop.
Thank you very much.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have some water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Excuse me, I can't find my suitcase.
What does it look like?
It's a large black suitcase with a red tag.
Let me check the system.
Hi, can you take me to this address, please?
Sure, it will take about 30 minutes. How much is the fare?
About 40 pounds.
Okay, thank you. Good evening. How can I help you?
Hello, I have a reservation under the name John Miller.
Yes, Mr. Miller. You're staying for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Here is your key. You're in room 512. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Thank you. Is Wi-Fi free?
Yes, it is. The password is on your key card.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course.
How do I get to the British Museum?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. It's next to a large bookstore.
Is it far from here?
No, it's about a 10-minute walk.
Thank you so much.
Hi, what can I get for you?
I'll have a cappuccino, please.
Small or large?
Large, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
All right, now let's talk about something important. Small talk.
Yes. When you travel, people might ask simple questions like, where are you from?
You can say, I'm from Spain. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan.
They might also ask, is this your first time here?
You can answer, yes, it is. Or, no, I've been here before.
Another common question, how do you like it so far?
That means, what do you think about the city? You can say, I love it. It's beautiful. It's very interesting.
Let's talk about listening. When people speak quickly, what should you do?
First, don't panic. Second, listen for key words. You don't need to understand every word.
For example, if someone says, go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right at the traffic light. Even if you don't understand everything, you hear straight, 2 blocks, right. That's enough.
When speaking English while traveling, remember this. Simple English is powerful English.
Instead of long sentences, say, I need help. Where is the station? How much is this?
Communication is about clarity, not perfection.
Travel is about experience. People don't expect you to speak perfect English.
They respect you for trying. Every conversation you have while traveling makes you better.
Every mistake helps you grow.
So, if you're planning a trip soon, try writing down some of today's phrases. Practice them out loud.
Imagine yourself at the airport, at the hotel, in a restaurant. Visualize the conversation.
Confidence starts before you travel. It starts with preparation.
And you're already preparing by listening to this podcast.
Thank you so much for listening to English Daily Podcast.
We hope this episode helps you feel more confident speaking English while traveling.
If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who loves to travel.
And remember,
Keep practicing
keep exploring.
and keep speaking English every day. Goodbye.